Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. Out having a little fishing trip on Blythe. Figured we were overdue for an EDC update, so I'll just do one now. Like I've said before, I prefer doing them away from the house. That way you know what I'm showing is what I'm carrying. I'm not just pulling shit out drawers and saying that that's what I've got. So since the knife is out, I'll start off with that. So I got the Nagaho Igo no Kami. Still one of my favourite knives. Looks awesome. Multi-tool. Still got the Leatherman Wave. Changed the grind completely to a convex now. Looking damn sexy. I've used it a few times, but when I first done it, I said it's still sharp enough. No effort whatsoever, and this has been used a few times. So now I've got a ball pot right there. So it's still very sharp, with no pressure whatsoever. It's pretty good still. Still touch. I think it's 420A. Bandana. Got the triangular one with the survival information on it. Still got the stat gear hygiene hand thing, keys or the same. I actually lost the Leatherman PS4 though, so I'm going to stick the Gerber Daimon. Wallet I'm actually going to change tonight, but it's still got the cards in it, so I'm not sure it, but it's the Travax Summit Note thing. I don't like it, so I'm changing it back tonight. And the watch, I'm going cheap and cheerful with the Casio, real budget Casio. I think it was £12–14 from Argos, something like that. Flashlight. It's still, of course, the Armitech Elf C2. And that's it for my person. The bag, since I'm fishing, I'm using the bag that I usually use for fishing. I'll show what I would carry as a normal EDC when I get home, but the bag for fishing is a Maxpedition Pygmy Falcon, and I've got the first aid kit on the side, and water bottle. I get the Nalgene, it's a 0.7. I just use that for fishing. I said in the other video I wanted a bigger Nalgene to nest in the titanium cup. I bought that one, but it's too small, like really tiny to nest in the cup. So I got a bigger one, but I'll show that when I get in the house. So I almost forgot, I got a Boga Plus 50 cal pen. So the bag, going to be sticking with the German military mountain rucksack. I would have a bike light on top, but that fell off, so I'll have to get a replacement. Now I just got some gloves and the American Alice Pack straps, and that's all to show on the outside. And the side pouches, got the Snow Peak 450 titanium mug. New water bottle is the 37 ounce Nalgene, too big to nest the cuppa on the bottom, but fits just fine on the top. And that's all I carry in that side pocket. On this side pocket, got the Pack Safe Silver Ion mask, which I like. It's the only mask I've found in this format that actually forms a proper seal around your face. When you breathe in, you can feel it sucking into your face. So it's creating a proper seal, so all the air that you're breathing in is getting filtered through the material. So 1,000 times better than those Chinese ones that you get like this, or the surgical ones, which are just crap. Anyway, Ka-Bar backpack caster, just for a bit of fun. There's a stream and a few little rivers near where I work, filled with sticklebacks. Haven't got a license to fish for trout or anything, so I just fish for sticklebacks. Bit of fun. Got the Snugpak Enhanced Patrol poncho, and that's all that's in there. On the top flap I've just got sharpening stuff. So I've got a Japanese saw file for obviously sharpening saw teeth. And then a 4-in-hand Nicholson file. It's got a wood rasp, flat wood rasp here, metal file that's flat here, and then on this side it's got a round file and a rounded wood rasp on that side. And then on here is just a Felco diamond sharpened stone, just for secateurs and pruners. And that's all that's in that pocket. And in this pouch forgot I had that on charge. Battery's died now, but I've been charging the phone. Got the headband for the flashlight. Soviet Army shoe comb. Some T-Rex tape. Waterproof dry bag. Suzuki overdrive harmonica. And a Soviet Afghanistan war cap, complete with the Soviet sickle and hammer star. I think this one's from the 1980s. Can't see. But anyway, spare flashlight, which is still a Phoenix LD 22, which is old, but I really like it. It's still going strong. Can't fault it. Awesome flashlight. And that's all that's in there. And in the main pocket, just got toilet roll, First aid kit, nothing's changed within that. Secateurs. And the silky saw. Conboy 210. And that saw file isn't for this. I've got an old high carbon steel saw I use all the time for pruning. This I can't use that file on because these are chemically hardened teeth. That file is just for high carbon steel blades that aren't got hardened teeth. I could probably use that file on that, but I'll probably only get about 10 or 15 sharpens before that file is useless. So I don't use that file for that. And that's all. It's in the bag. So that's it for my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching. Chana.